Namaste everyone, I'm Master Praveen. Enjoy this video, and if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. And guys, we are also offering our online and our offline courses. उससे related जो भी detail है description के अंदर आपको link मिल जाएंगे. Please check our all the online offline courses. So thank you so much and enjoy. Hip come back and toes are turn on the right side, spinal twist. Hip come back and toes are then relax it. Thumb jump. Keep your both legs straight. A little overlaps. Move your legs. Mochu down head. Down head. Mochu. Yes. Now. Just continuous movement. Moving in, out. Your toes inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. So that the movement will start coming from your hip. Good. Relax your knees. Move your knees up and down. Both legs closer. Toes point. Flex your feet. Toes point. Flex your feet. Again toes point. And then flex your feet. Rotation and rotation. You glide and you clockwise. And just relax it. So we'll go some preparatory practice. Your left leg put on your right upper thigh. Chancha. Chancha. Yes. And then push your left knee down for a few times. One. Remember, do not put your toes on the thigh. Caution, your ankle should be come on the upper thigh. Otherwise, it can be harmful for your ankle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Okay, sorry. Other side. Right leg on the left upper thigh. We'll go slowly, slowly, and step by step in the hip opening practice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Relax your right leg. Bend your left leg under your hip. But remember, Dao Ge Dao, Kochen Dao, Khom Kan Gapcha. Hugh Khom. Yeah. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax your leg. Right leg under your hip. The same. Try to knee closer and your spine straight. 1, monk swan, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax your right leg. And now come in the butterfly. Hold your feet. And swing your both knee together. Continuous. The other. Continuous. The other. Nyan. Little fast. Very good. Put your both palm on the knee. And now the same like before. Slowly push the knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more time, then 10. Everybody, Tadka, hit wow. And when it throws up, hold the breath out and squeeze one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit wow, come back. And now gapchan and then just chokchan. Second time, lung high. Again, hit wow and toes slowly try to be bent down. Hold both thumb low. 1, 2, 3, little bit, 4, 5, and now 6. Hit wow, come back. Toes are relaxed. Again, gapchan and then chokchan. We go third time, lung bar. This time, another option. So this time just try to make the gap in between your feet. Gap. Here, make the gap. Little gap. Good. Now thumb long first, spine straight, and everybody high thigh. Hít vào, thon tay thẳng ngực. And toes up, cúi xuống, một chút cúi xuống. Tay lên, tay lên, tay lên. You have to try your head, your arms and the spine should be aligned. Just stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hít vào, hai tay lên. And toes up. This time cannot learn Tai Swan. Drop your hands on the mat. And now, slowly, slowly, just try to walk front. Anywhere you feel enough, just stay. You can stay here. You can draw your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Come back everyone. The chin and then thumb chin. Keep your both legs straight. We'll go down another sequence. So this time your left foot with your right inner thigh. Thumb chin 5. Thumb chin 5. Yes. Hit vào, hai tay lên. And toes are slowly to just cúi xuống. Try to hold your right foot. Stomach in. Keep stretching your spine, especially from the lower back. Lock your knee. 3, 4, and 5. Hit vào, hai tay lên. And toes are now this time little turn on your left side. The same, just a little change. Stretch your arms and stretch your spine. 1, stomach in everybody. 2, flex your right foot. 3, keep stretching. 5, and now 6. Enough. Hit vào, hai tay lên. And toes are then hai Tai Swan. Very good. Bend your left leg now. Another, these all are the very, very gentle hip stretch sequence. Thumb on first, and now slowly lift your left leg up. After, you can try to pull your leg to your side. You see how maximum. You feel this is enough, that's it. Any member can do more, so you can try to do more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Very good. Left leg put on your right upper thigh. In the beginning we did the preparatory practice, so this time we'll come in the posture. Ankle on the upper thigh. Hit vào, hai tay lên. Inhale both arms up. And exhale, slowly just try to bend down. Hold your right foot, you can flex your right foot. 1, 2, keep stretching your spine. 3, 4, and now 5. Very good. Hit vào, hai tay lên. And toes are this time a big turn on the left side. Same like before. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Hit vào, hai tay lên. And toes are then hai Tai Swan. We go for the next practice because in hip, today class our hip opening. Please tell them. Today class is the hip opening. So in the hip opening we will work in the different part of our pelvic, like our hamstring, outer hamstring, inner hamstring, our outer thigh, inner thigh. So there are so many things to practice for it. So in the beginning we are just going very, very gentle things. So now you try your both knee in a one line, same like me. Very good. And flex your feet. Good. Bend forward. Same. Hold your right foot. Flex the right foot. Your abdomen. Boom. You have to put on your upper leg. Pull it, push it, and then slightly push one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. From here I will take you the next, a very beginner practice. Your left ankle put on your right knee. You come. Very good. And now your right ankle put under your left knee. Yes? It's not same like this, no. Feel the difference. Ankle and the knee align, both legs. Good. Comb both head. Maybe some member knee is going up. It's maybe because of the hip stiffness. So in that case, you can take the blow just for the relaxation. Feeling difficult, just go down jump, so you can take the pillow for it. Flex your feet, and after you have to be bent forward. Comb the position, thumb loop, and then try to be bent down. Bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, and then drop your head down. 1, with a sitting fire pose. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Very gentle sequence. Okay, keep your legs straight, and now your right foot with your left inner thigh. Hit wow, hai thigh lane, and toes then position bend forward. Hold your left foot and flex your left foot and lock your left knee. 3, spine straight, thumb loop. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, both arms up, hai thigh lane, and exhale, toes turn a bit on the right side. Main focusing on your breath, main focusing to keep stretching your spine from your lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now relax. Inhale, hai thigh lane, both arms up, and exhale, then relax. Bend your right leg and hold your right foot. Spine straight. Thumb chanchai. Right leg. Yes. Inhale, lift your right leg, flex the right foot, and then try to pull your leg to your side. You have to pull the leg where you feel enough and feel comfortable. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right leg put on your left upper thigh. Hit wow, hai thigh lane, and exhale, toes up, bend down, hold your left foot and flex your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, both